Today no set to shoe. Yesterday like this, I just enjoy yesterday. See pigs everywhere. See the way today now.
Pregnant! Lizzy.
Have fun, now brother.
Yeah, so what's up now? I the dinner.
Guy, have fun. Yeah,
That's right. Man. Yesterday when they chop pizza, and they beg you don't want to squeeze your face. You say I'm gonna beg you too much. I get you.
Guy, forget that yesterday matter now. Forget that yesterday.
Forget what
they
you
say forgive and forget. And there's not been sharing, no.
No worry, when I don't chop this bread and milk finish, I'll go forgive and forget. Yeah, you like that. So.
Bro, you see me, you had your mineral bread.
You and my guy again. Now she gets her.
She get her.
She don't give my just test.
I didn't fight for that time now.
You find for that way, baby. But me, I get up this.
You say they're wise.
You know the matter.
I
don't call just now. I won't get polos.
You get polos.
I see your man. Wait, what did happen for you?
Bad blue.
No, she give me bread now. Bread and mineral.
I give you bread with it. I said, you want that for me. You know, see my guy wake up.
You give me bread and mineral.
You want
No. This man.
blood of Jesus.
Sit down for anywhere.
You want this getting blow me real.
No, it's loud.
Okay, sorry.
You know,